Every bride and groom wants a wedding that's full of style, passion, and glamour. And it's that sparkle that inspired these 9 signature collections. I'm taking all that I've learned from making weddings and special events for my clients and bringing it to you right here. For the bride and groom wanting to get married in broad daylight under the sun, this wedding is tailor-made for you. I definitely wanted to create one really edgy package, so we called this one Rocker Chic. I picture someone who has a love of fashion and likes a good dose of glamour would want to have her wedding here. And this is what it's all about. These colors were all inspired by the stunning colors of the Caribbean waters. This, set against that crisp blue water and the clear blue sky, is super chic. I wanted to do something that was flirty, feminine, but textural. And when you think, what is the quintessential hard rock white wedding? This is it. Purple has become so popular as a wedding color, but this is our take on the coloration. Simply stunning and gorgeous. I love the glow and the fire energy that comes from the tiki torches. I imagine a stunning bride and groom walking barefoot down the aisle, accompanied by a classical guitarist. This is simply chic. The whole look is fresh and super crisp and just gets to show you, without any print, texture can take you all the way. Now, how chic is that? I love the rock and roll edginess and that live life to the fullest ethos, which hard rock is all about. I'm Colin Cowie, and I'm so excited to share with you my new partnership with the all-inclusive Hard Rock hotels in Mexico and the Dominican Republic.